The following video will outline how you can import a CSV template into the Markship system and undertake updating or overriding an existing Ratecard version. To import a Ratecard into Markship, select Admin, Import Ratecards. The first thing that you will need to do on this page is to add the file or files you are looking to import. To do this, select Add Files and select the files, then select Open. Once the files appear in the Upload Ratecard section, simply select Upload All. Markship will then validate the Ratecards for their structure and content to ensure that it matches what's expected. If there are any issues or errors, these will be presented to you. You will need to adjust the file template and re-upload. If the upload is successful, they will appear in the Import Selected Ratecard section below. To import these Ratecards into the system, simply select the Ratecards and select Import Selected Ratecards. The Import Ratecards modal will then be shown to you, with a list of all the Ratecards you are looking to import shown on the left-hand side. Should there be any Ratecards that you wish to remove or not import at this time, you can remove it by simply selecting the cross icon. If there is a match between the Ratecard abbreviation that was provided on the CSV Ratecard template and the Ratecard that exists in Markship, then the Import Ratecards modal will be shown like this. This gives you the opportunity to create a new Ratecard version, to update a Ratecard version, or to overwrite a Ratecard version. If you are looking to update a Ratecard version, the screen could be shown like this, or alternatively, it could be shown like this. The reason for the difference is if there is more than one Ratecard version that exists in the system, you are given the opportunity to select which Ratecard version you're looking to update. If there is only one Ratecard version in the system, which is the example with this Vallex Ratecard, then the only one you can possibly update is that Ratecard version. The same type of screens are shown with Overwrite, as you can see here, and as you can see here. The major differences between updating and overwriting a Ratecard version is when you are updating a Ratecard version, Markship will match all the rates that are in the system and it will update those rates. If there are any existing rates in the system that aren't on the import template, these will not be removed. If there are any rates that are on the Ratecard that don't yet exist in the system, these will be created. When you are overriding a Ratecard version, Markship will delete all the rates that currently exist in the system, and it will replace them with what exists on the file. If you are updating or overriding a Ratecard that has multiple Ratecard versions, then the default that you will be given will be the current active rates in the system. If you need to change this, simply select the flag across to be No, and select the version you're looking to update. Should you see this list, it will be presented to you based on the effective date of all the rate versions that are in the system. Anything that is named original rates is the rates that were originally imported into the system that were not given an effective date. In this instance, I'm going to update my rates from the 26th of April. Once you have configured all the CSV files you are looking to get into the system, simply select Import Ratecards. Markship will then import the rates into the system, and it will be shown that this is successful with a green sign in the top right hand corner. This sign will also tell you the number of rates that have been imported into the system. So that is how you can take the Ratecard template to bulk update or overwrite existing Ratecard versions.